All right, guys, so today we are kind of updating our bedroom. So right now we have like a red and black comforter on our bed. I think when we did our house tour we had a gray comforter, but we switched over to red for the holiday. So we got this nice black comforter that we're putting on there, and then we're doing like a little DIY for the corner of our bedroom. And we brought these flowers right here. What is it called? Oh shoot, cherry blossoms. So we got these cherry blossom trees, we got this vase, and a gang of marbles. So it's kind of gonna go with the theme of our comforter. So we're just gonna get started on getting everything together, and we'll come back to you guys and show you guys how it comes together.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up.
What up, gang? I didn't want to not be in the video, so just stopping through, say what's up. We're about to strip the bed right now. Watch this.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN.
All right, it's part 2 of getting our room together. And we got a fireplace. My wife is like a beast at putting stuff together. I'm her assistant. So once this bad boy get all assembled, we will come back.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
These big ass boxes what it came in.
Take that hot road and hop in. Open up.
Had to be 200 pounds.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open it. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open it. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.